Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study S3 Maths KTU. First, obtain the official syllabus and previous year question papers. Analyze the syllabus to identify key modules and their respective weightage. This initial step is crucial for strategic planning. Next, categorize topics by difficulty and your personal understanding. Allocate more time to challenging areas, ensuring a balanced approach. Remember, consistent effort over time yields the best results for complex subjects like mathematics. To truly master S3 Maths, active problem solving is essential. Dedicate a significant portion of your study time, perhaps 2 hours daily, to working through various problems. Don't just read solutions, try to solve them independently first. Leverage online platforms like YouTube for concept explanations and example problems. Additionally, collaborating with peers in study groups can provide new perspectives and help clarify doubts, making complex topics more approachable. As exams approach, shift your focus to rigorous revision. Solving previous year question papers is paramount. Treat them as mock exams to simulate actual test conditions. This helps manage time effectively and reduces exam day anxiety. Develop short, clear revision notes for each module, summarizing key formulas and concepts. Regularly review these notes. Pay close attention to recurring errors in your practice sessions and actively work on improving those specific areas. Remember, your well-being is just as important as your studies. Ensure you get sufficient sleep and maintain a balanced diet to keep your mind sharp and focused. Don't hesitate to reach out to your professors or senior students for clarification on challenging topics. They are valuable resources. Also, for staying refreshed during long study sessions, check out the Oala water bottle mentioned in the description below, along with other helpful deals. Consistent effort, smart study, and self-care will lead to success in S3 Maths.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.